In this video, we're taking a close look at the Savage Aluminum Torpedo Level by Swanson. Hello everybody, Frank here with WB Tool News. If this is your first time at the channel here and you want to see more tool reviews like this one, then the first thing you should do is click that subscribe button. This video is for everyone looking to learn more about torpedo levels and anyone looking to get the Savage Magnetic Torpedo Level. Whether you're a professional electrician, plumber, contractor, or DIYer, we're going to answer all your questions. And if we don't, just add them to the comment section below. Here it is, Swanson's Savage Aluminum Torpedo Level. This tool is precision machined from a solid piece of billet aluminum. Its sleek, anodized coating gives it an attractive look and feel. It's lightweight and durable, protecting it against the hazards of the job. Billet aluminum is a solid piece of aluminum, which is machined or milled into its final shape. This eliminates impurities and guarantees precise angles and dimensions, creating a uniform and reliable tool. It's a 9-inch level with a 7-inch ruler on one side and an 18-centimeter on the other. These are lasered into the anodized finish, so the precise markings won't chip off or wear away. This compact level includes 4 vials in Swanson's patented BrightView milled ports. The angles measure straight, 90, 45, and 30 degrees. The vials are especially nice because they're made of acrylic, which reduces any damage they might take and makes them super easy to read. Most of the uses for these vials are pretty straightforward. But why the 30-degree angle? This is an angle commonly used by electricians when they need to bend conduit before fishing wire through it. It's easier than the 90 or even 45-degree angle. Another special feature of this tool is the angled openings on the top. If you're ever in a tight space where you need to lay the level down on some pipe but you can't quite see the sides, then you're gonna love this feature. Instead of awkwardly craning your neck or struggling to tilt the level to get an accurate read, you can just read from the top. And on the top, next to the angled openings, you'll also notice the milled V groove. This is really handy if you need to rest the level on some non-metallic piping, something like PVC pipes, while you get your precise measurements. And of course, the accuracy on this bad boy is top of the line, measuring within 0.029 degrees or 0.0005 per inch, surpassing the industry standard. This ensures you have confidence in every measurement you make. And if you're dealing with a metal surface, you can take advantage of the magnets on the bottom. These make it easy for you to get your precise measurements hands-free. There are 4 3/8-inch rare earth neodymium magnets. Each is remarkably strong to give confidence in the tool and work you do. Lastly, you may be wondering, what's the point of the holes on the ends? While it's mainly designed for hanging on a pegboard above a workbench, it can also be used for looping a leash or carabiner through so that you can hang it on your belt or your work bag. And there you have it. Those are the features we wanted to highlight about this bad boy. But did we miss anything? Do you have any questions? If so, please put them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, click that bell for notifications, and check out our other review videos on WB Tool News.